Okay, okay.
Hey, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Painting this.
Making eggs for Easter?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Do you like making eggs for Easter?
Uh-huh.
Christopher, ¿esta es la primera vez que pinta huevos?
Hey,
Ah.
¿La primera vez que pinta para Pascua?
Hey.
I want.
MJ, are you painting eggs for the Easter bunny?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? What colors do you like?
What do you want? You already did red.
Green.
Green?
Look, they have
Wow, that's a nice color.
It.
Let her do it. Christopher.
Which one? Blue. Give me an egg.
Okay, it's almost your turn, okay? When it's your turn. All right, look at that. She's painting it purple. Purple or blue or... I don't know. Blue?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
I want pink.
Wow.
Make sure you get it all, okay?
Orange. Orange. You?
Did you draw something on it? What did you draw?
I draw a girl.
A girl? Wow.
Let me draw one.
Do you want me to help you?
So that's my ball. But right there next to my other one.
Look.
Wow, that's a nice egg, Adriana. You did a good job.
I'm going to put it over there, okay? Whose turn is it now?
Yours!
MJ's turn?
Emmy's turn. Emmy's turn. Emmy's turn. Emmy's turn.
MJ's turn. MJ, you going to draw something?
I want it.
You want green? Okay. Do you want to draw or no?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to draw?
I want to draw a boy.
Okay, look. We're going to see what we're going to draw here.
Mommy, I want to draw green. Mommy, draw it. Mommy,
What color you want it?
green.
This yellow. You want yellow?
No, I want green.
Okay, we'll put it on the green. Come on. Here. You put it on the green now.
Mommy,
Let's see.
green, green, green.
Are you coloring the egg green?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Hey, that's a more green.
Okay, let's get it out.
Let me see.
Mine put it
Wow, that's a nice egg, MJ.
Put there.
Say hi to everybody, MJ.
Hi.
You having fun? Are you having fun, Adriana?
Yes.
You gonna Easter egg hunt tomorrow?
Uh-huh.
All right.
What?
Now it's Christopher's turn.
No, it's mine.
Dale, Kufit.
No, it's my turn. No, it's my turn. My Christopher. Yeah. Goody, look. It's almost done. I want this one. You can have these.
Aprieta duro para que se marque.
I want to have these. I want to pick my color.
Hmm?
Wait.
Look at Mommy's fingernails. Ew. No, don't do that. Look.
Is that dirty?
No, it's not girly. It's dirty.
I want to green. It's my turn. It's yours. It's Christopher's turn now. It's my turn. No, it's Christopher's. It's my turn. Goody, it's all of our turns. We're getting turns. Mine is my turn. Daddy, for the yellow. It's my turn. It's my turn. It's Christopher's turn.
¿Salió ahora?
It's my turn. Green, green. No green, no green, no green.
All right, baby, your turn.
Me?
My
turn.
Puse Maldonado.
Mommy, it's my turn, Mom.
Oh,
Maldonado. Maldonado y ahora vamos a puse Martín.
no.
Way to go, MJ. Way to go.
Hey, it's my turn.
Mommy turn.
It's my turn.
Mommy turn.
It's my turn.
Mommy turn.
My turn. Can you draw red and blue? Can you draw red and yellow together? And my turn.
That's what you want me to do?
Uh-huh. Let me
I
draw
thought
one.
we would do this blue.
Well, I can't do it like that. I have to do it like that.
Oh, this purple.
¿Qué tú haces ahí debajo?
Whoa. Daddy, that's not blue. That's purple.
I can't do it, Mommy. It's too.
Too hot. Too hot? I told you to do that. Whose turn is it? My turn. I go to